Wait. Don't. This is for the Bleach fans.
Yeah, the Bleach fans that have been riding with us since episode 1 and episode 101 and episode
201?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't even think we.
201's coming out
201?
today.
Yeah.
If you haven't checked out 201, 202, I think, go check that out. But shout out y'all. I know y'all are here for Chainsaw Man, so just skip if you're not here for this message. But sadly, we did not make Bleach on time. So we had a little thing that we took like a month off of recording. So we literally had episodes piled up. This is like way back. And then that put us even more behind to catch up. But we made a system to where we could have caught up, maybe been like 1 week late or something like that. But then Jesus got sick. It's not his fault. So
Sick for like 2 weeks.
And then some other stuff happened.
He went to New York.
Yeah, he did go.
I went to New York last week, so that also like cut our recording down like tremendously. I think another thing, one morning, some other stuff happened. It's just a lot of stuff happened that was like out of our control. So it's just like we should be like how many weeks late?
We're gonna be like about 5 weeks late. I think like uploaded. Like I said, we should have 201 out today. Yeah. We have watched. We're about to start 267, so we're still about 60 episodes behind. Around obviously minus filler because we'll just get straight. We want to get straight to it. So we just want to let y'all know real quick before Chainsaw started that 1,000 Year Blood War will be coming to y'all, but not maybe until like first week of November. So we didn't forget about it. We just got to catch up ourselves, and you'll be seeing it around then.
So if you do enjoy our reactions, like I said, our Bleach fans, hopefully you stick around and you wait patiently and you're here whenever we react to it.
Yeah.
And to the Chainsaw fans, the MHA fans, everybody else, hope you enjoy the reaction.
Yeah. Take y'all over there.
Hey guys, it's Talented Forever. I'm here with Isaac, Andrew, Jesus, and Rodolfo. Today we're going to be reacting to
Chainsaw Man.
You good.
Damn, bro.
Take it away.
Yeah, we're on the same wavelength.
Pick up. Oh,
yeah, I
pick up. Biggest
Chainsaw
anime
Man,
of the year?
Chainsaw Man
Question mark?
here.
Highly anticipated for a lot of people.
Biggest
including
anime,
Miles.
shortest anime.
Shortest anime.
12 episodes.
I don't think. I don't know.
It's had some hype. If you're in the community,
you're here to watch this.
It's hype.
Mappa?
Or you stumbled on this and welcome.
Mappa animation.
Who doesn't know?
You know how it's gonna go up.
I-
Obviously, they have the Dream
I
Team
knew it was,
supposedly,
but-
so we'll see how the animation
Dream
is.
Team. Supposedly different ending. Every ending, right? Every
Opening.
episode?
It's opening.
Different.
Opening.
A different ending.
It's ending.
Different
Oh,
ending.
my bad. Oh, it's ending. My bad.
We went to New York to the New York Comic Con, so I've already seen the thing, but I actually seen it in English. Sadly, but they had the English voice actors on panel at NYCC. But I actually seen the first episode. I have seen no openings, no endings.
I didn't even know you watched it in English. I didn't even know they casted the voice actors.
Yeah.
I guess just for the first episode. I don't know.
I didn't see who they were. I'm gonna look those up later.
Yeah, they came out like a week ago or something. But
It was literally just the first episode, so it's a pretty good episode.
I will say, just like we do with the other ones, we do have some manga readers. Romeo has read it, and
I
Isaac
read
has
the
read
first
it.
part of it.
I've read the first chapter, and that's it. So I'm probably gonna know what's in this. Well, that was also like
It
2 years.
basically covered the first chapter.
That was also like 2 years ago, so it's still splotchy for me. But they have both not read. We all three have not read it fully. So
It has been a while since me and Romeo have read it too. Like Romeo says, like you might forget some stuff. Me, I might forget some stuff too. But we shall see. I know y'all are hyped, so we can get into it. Obviously, our Bleach fans just watched that other video, so yeah. Hopefully you're here for the chainsaw as well.
yeah. Well, let's get right into it. Anybody else?
Any expectations?
hype.
Hype. I'm expecting hype.
I'm expecting an anime pop off, episode 1.
S tier?
I'm expecting a death, episode 1. I mean,
S tier animation?
S-tier
S-tier
animation.
animation.
S-tier animation. We'll see.
I wanna be surprised by the music.
Music.
No one's talked about the music, but apparently, someone bigs on it.
It was actually the first panel I seen that actually showed the first episode, so I was like more in awe. Like I'm here watching this, So I music wise, I don't even remember the music, so I can't even. I'm pretty sure it was good though, but I was just like, wow, really good moments though. They had really good moments. The hell?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's get right into it. Season 1, Episode 1,
I didn't
Dog
like
and
this.
Chainsaw.
Here we go. You manga readers out there know what this is.
Slender Man.
This is
It's Slender
What's that
Man.
door?
This is from the PlayStation 3 cutscene of Resident Evil.
Open it.
It's like a horror movie.
It's terrifying.
Looks nice.
仕事行くか
Pochita?
Oh, he's so cute.
Pochita?
Like, the barking and stuff.
Just want a little plush.
Yeah. Looks good.
It looks good. It looks good.
I'm just stunned. It's actually happening.
It looks good, counter?
聞いて月収6万だろ
I really like Mappa.
この
They
間
do
売った
really
腎
well
臓
with like
が
background scenery with like trees and stuff. So I really like it.
右目が30万金玉片方っていくらで売れたっけ
Not even 100K for a nut, bro. Come on.
Bro, everyone's got two of them. They cost
I
less.
guess you're right.
3800
What the? He's not even close.
落ちた分かってるってさっさと殺しちまうか悪魔を一体殺せばだいたい30万
What is he?
Not Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw
何
Dog.
かんだ
First battle, they coming into it. Off rip.
Sukuna.
Oh,
Oh,
first time.
opening.
Okay. Little.
You wet. Zeke? That was Zeke.
What the fuck?
Big mob dive from that first mob sacrifice.
They
It's like
power
the-
trigger C.
They're really leaning into the like CG. It looks like AOT CG, but like done way better.
Hey, yo, best
Hey,
girl.
hey,
Yo, hey, yo, what's he doing? Alright, Super bad.
Is that Makima? Hey. I'm ready for like the blood.
Those are so good. Like, best girl power. A lot of people are gonna like power. That's gonna be their best girl. Y'all probably heard it.
Oh, that was cool.
Hey yo. Hey yo.
Who did it?
King Newton. Or King Newton, I think.
That's pretty cool. I'll give you that.
He worked on the.
Man, that was a lot like a Mob Psycho
The Jada
song
Kid
was
movie.
intro.
それにベンツのいいところが逆らわねえとこだ
Illegal activities.
おい犬このタバコ食ったら100円やるよマジっすかいただきます
He is down bad.
Yo, he needs the money, bro.
100 yen's like not even $1.
出たらよ逃げたら豚の餌だからな
You didn't seem phased by it. He just did it.
Not MC vibes.
Not NC Bud.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, MC vibes. Oh,
これで一価は食えるね
oh.
この間聞いたんだけ
I
ど
think better have to do that damn
普
song.
通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ
It's fluid.
Yeah.
I hear that. It's
これ
really
は
fluid.
昼間で女と付き合えねえんだろうな こんなボロボロには女呼べねえし、デートす
Really
る金も
detailed.
ねえ。夢叶うなら女抱いてから知りてえな。
Eyes on the prize.
Only thing that matters.
MC vibes.
That's
my
gonna be.
main
That's his
character.
resolve right there.
Oh, flashback? Is that his dad? I mean, they did say, like, all his money is for his dad. What he owed. Oh, snap.
Dang.
Oh, snap.
お前も死ぬのか。
悪魔は血飲めば傷が治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないなら
Who's his dad, right?
Yeah. This is MC vibes.
This is like...
This is MC vibes.
Tell you, yeah, good moments.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。
Oh.
やっぱ俺も死にたくない。
Dang. I wonder what is that? He's probably like what 10 there? Probably what?
Ugh.
You can't really tell him age. He could be 15 right there.
He's just wholesome.
俺を
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Priority.
Priorities.
いいだろ。
With a pussy.
Oh, something's about to go down. I'm not ready for it.
We're gonna have to end with the fight or get the fight like midway. I don't know. I'll tell.
What fight?
こんなとこに悪魔出たん
A
す
fight.
か。
We're gonna. There's no way we gonna get this without a fight.
I mean, he's about to
見当たら
cut it
な
down
いっ
with
すけど
tongue.
It looks so good.
どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
Just love the way he holds it.
By the-
You gonna try to kill him?
And he just hangs there. Just like, yep.
You gonna?
デンジよ
So
俺
they're
たち
gonna set
は
him up.
てめえに感謝して
Stick him
る
up.
After all that work.
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし
They made him
犬
eat a
みてえに
cigarette.
安い報酬で働いてくれ
They
る
didn't make it.
I know. You're right. You're right. They knew
け
you were
ど
doing it.
俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ
No. Not the... No!
Oh
No!
no, Boti.
俺たちヤクザもよもっと強くなって
I think I look like a zombie.
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにした
Oh, I see.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力
No way.
僕が望むのはデビルハン
So he's been bad this whole time?
Not really this one.
デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがるんだ。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。
Whack. They stupid ass.
ゾンビの悪魔だ。
They call him idiot.
デビルハンターは僕
He's like, yeah, I'll give you power. You don't know what this is gonna do to you, but here you
だ
go.
から殺しちゃうんだ。
Now you're my
Literally,
minions.
there's no point for their power now, you
み
know?
んな、そいつバラバラに
Literally.
僕みた
They're
いに捨て
just,
ちゃっ
yeah,
て。
they're just zombies.
Bro, not Pochita,
Bro,
bro.
MC vibes. You just got stabbed. Motherfucker's running away.
Run, Deji, run.
Hey, he's a little faster. He only has one net.
Oh, that's gotta stop. Oh, I did. I'm just kidding.
They learned. They're not Call of Duty zombies, bro. They are not jumping.
That guy's fast. That guy's fast.
All right.
Oh.
I forgot what anime we were watching. They actually gonna show it.
We're starting off kind of slow.
Hey, there, watch this.
Yeah, the first couple of minutes.
ただせめて普通の生活
Oh
がした
my
いだけだ
god.
んなことも叶えられねえのかよ
He's just getting shanked, bro.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。落ちたりそれができるんだったら、俺の体を落ちたにあげてんだ。
That's how it
墓
becomes.
場に
And that's how he becomes the chainsaw man. Give me those pops
俺
already.
の夢を叶えてくれよ。
It's like 5 different books in this one episode.
My favorite one, man.
You already do it?
Yeah.
Oh snap!
He is the chainsaw.
落ちた。
He's so cute.
俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだっ
This motherfucker can
た
talk.
俺は契約だ私の心臓をやる代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ
We don't see Pochita anymore. You told me he's our first episode.
He gave him his heart, bro. He gave him another chance.
I already messed up.
落ちた。
Alright, we're about to pop off right now. Pop it off right now.
どういう
Music's so good, bro.
バラバラ
I
に
just
して
fuck with the
生きて
music.
なんだ金邪魔するな
Let's see it. Let's see how it's gonna look.
Nice.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう
You're about to bust out the
Yeah.
tits.
Probably all over 8.
You hear that bitch revving? They're like,
Ooh. Well, he has someone on the arm too.
Yeah.
Have I just not noticed that? That's not.
Go on. Go off, sis.
Oh.
it's about to be a bloodbath.
He's gonna go crazy. Oh my.
Give me that shit.
He went straight for it.
Bloodthirsty,
Got it.
bro. Give me your eye.
Oh.
I need one of those.
Okay.
Eat.
What'd that do? What'd that do?
Eat. Bitch! No way. He just fucking slices. Fucking turned into Zeke. Started throwing the body in the middle. Get these off me. Cutting practice.
Now,
Bro, he's playing Beat Saber.
all you're doing is
Basically.
training him. You're just training him.
Hey, basically.
Oh my god.
He's jumping over.
moving. Get active.
Right there, bitch.
Oh my god. That's for Pochita. That's for Pochita. Put respect on it.
You want a piece of me?
Right there. Get him. For sure.
Yep.
Get him.
For his crazy.
Hey, it's all for the girls. For real. It's all for the woman.
Oh shit.
No,
That was
part
good.
of his dream was to feed Pochita.
Motherfucker rode that bitch. He said, "Zzz."
That was clean. We're gonna turn to dogs for real.
See the bloodbath in here?
The crowd went crazy on the fighting scene, and then this right here, when she pulled up.
先を越されたね
Oh my god.
We knocked out, just standing there.
It's been there all night.
'Cause I don't know how to get back.
Hug me.
Hey. Hey, already pulling through on the promise to Pochita.
Hey.
That's his dream.
What?
I really like how like subsided.
Yeah,
Subsided.
they just reps
Just went
pretty
right.
clean.
人だ
餌って朝飯の
食パン
Oh, the dream. The
サラ
dream.
ダコーヒーあとデザー
Dessert
ト
on breakfast? Eh?
What do you think pancakes are? Crunch
Jesus.
toast?
That's true.
She's the meal.
She's the dessert, bro.
Donuts.
最高じゃないっすか
Oh, wait, that felt so short. I was like,
Shorter?
wait.
That felt long. I was like, dang, this is only 20 minutes?
But yeah, no. What you think?
That was amazing.
Was it good?
That was like really good.
I was good. No, it looked beautiful. It looked
It
good.
looked.
Like I said, I think usually, like, obviously when you see CGI, it kind of like will take you out a bit if it's not done well. But I think definitely with the lighting, like, it was fine. Like, because it was in darker area. I think it worked for me. It wasn't really like taking me out. Is he gonna be CGI every time he comes out? Do we know? You don't know?
I mean, I've only seen the first episode.
Well, it's like
Like, I know his chainsaws were, right? They had to be.
Everything was on.
I mean, the chainsaws are more noticeable to me. That's what was like throwing me off when I first watched it. I was just like, I don't know how I feel about like the rotating shit on them, but it still looked good in my opinion.
I think they've definitely improved since AOT season 4.
Yeah. Well, it definitely wasn't like horrible to me. It was good. It was like I said, better than AOT.
But it still definitely still reminded me of it. But it didn't, like you said, it didn't take me out. It was, if anything, I think they did some crazy shots because I think it was able to be able to do. I don't know what I'm saying.
I think when you
be
make
able to be done like that because it is CGI. Because they did some long shots, like they would zoom out, him spinning like that, which is like crazy.
Yeah, I feel like if it's like with AOT, it was like, you know, you have like everything else that's like isn't CGI, and you have like the two big CGI titans, and
Just
it's like
kinda
it's
moving
weird.
around.
But then you have like this where I think they're working it really well into like the environment.
It was done really well. I really like the animation. I still prefer Bleach's animation, just like style wise. But obviously, this animation is more like S tier. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It makes sense. So.
I liked it.
And like this, like I said, this is gonna be more of like a definitely not a TV 14. So it's like, and it really does feel like more like dark, and like just how they were like presenting it, which is probably might be one of the like the
Ratings for this episode?
8.5.
9. I go 9.
When I originally watched it, I say 8. Now I say 9.
I'll say 9.
So we did 8. It's pretty good.
8.
8.
I think
8.5, 9 across the board. Not bad.
I think why you don't remember the music is because there was literally like very soft like background piano for like most of it, or like
My
background
favorite
noises because it was so quiet.
Had that music in there whenever he was talking.
That was like the
about
only
his dreams
track.
and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, they had the track with him like standing up and getting ready to fight all those zombies too, though.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
But I really like the soft piano music, like talking to like Pochita about his dreams and how he wants him to take his body or whatever. I was throwing it back to like when he first saved him. He was like, "Here, my blood." You know? Pretty good story.
it was super quiet for a first episode, especially when you only got 12 episodes to work with.
Are the 12 episodes gonna cover like? It's only gonna be like
There's
what?
no way, right?
It's not covering half actors. It's going to be like,
If it was like a
8.5.
24 episode season, would it have covered everything?
no, covers like book 8, 9.
Like JJK.
What, like 12?
So, yeah. 11.
Nice. No, it's a thumbs up. It's a thumbs up for me for sure.
If you like Chainsaw Man or a reaction, hit that like button. Comment your favorite moment on the episode. I mean, obviously people are gonna like the action, you know.
Yeah.
It's good action.
It's just
I think it was a good hook episode.
Yeah.
Like we'll definitely be like wondering like what's gonna happen, like next, even without like really leaving a cliffhanger. Like I think it wants you to know more. So
It's one of those shows that just you know shonen, you know what you're here for.
Was it shonen?
Yeah.
yeah,
It doesn't have to explain any like
They all look
tropes
the
or
same.
anything. It just jumps in with like, this is what we're doing, and we're
like
we're-
you said,
we're-
they like people know like about devils and stuff in this world.
And I'm glad they didn't have to like really explain like that. There was never like a. I live in a world where we run wild with devils.
the My Hero like
Yeah,
80%
and like a lot of
population,
shows do that.
But obviously, you know they have devil runners.
the Rukia drawings.
They show it. It's more like show don't tell. They just kind of like showed us whatever.
You get more about it too.
And like we're probably gonna enter more into the world with Denji going into that. So
with what was it called? Public
safety. So that's where we get like our explanation. It would be good.
We love it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guess
Pretty
we'll be ready for next week. Like you said, hope you enjoyed. Leave down what your favorite moment was. Are you hyped for this? Are you rating for this episode?
Is this what you expect it to be, or more, or less?
Yeah.
I think it's a really good first episode.
pretty good.
8 to 9. Obviously, there's going to be way more better parts, but
Yeah.
it's a good first episode.
Don't forget to like,
Comment.
And subscribe.
yeah.
Hey,
Someone
got it.
left it. Come on.
I was yawning.
And we'll see y'all next time.
Peace.